For today's video, we are making vegan mayonnaise. That's right. So the ingredients you'll need to make vegan mayonnaise are 1 cup of avocado oil, 1/2 cup of soy milk, 1 teaspoon of red wine vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice mixed together, some salt on the side to add to taste, and 2 cloves of garlic, and finally half of an avocado. You're going to need a blender and a mortar and pestle. Alright, so first we are starting with our avocado and our garlic cloves. We are just going to chop up these bad boys. And be careful with your avocado seed. As you can see, I'm struggling right here, and they tend to go flying. So once you have de-skinned your avocado, bet you didn't know you could de-skin an avocado, you're gonna chop up that avocado, also chop up your garlic cloves. So I'm actually chopping this garlic so that I can then mush it away in my mortar and pestle, so it has more of a creamy, liquidy consistency, so that by the time I add it into my finished mayonnaise towards the end, it will completely mix in to the mixture and won't leave behind any garlic clumps. Alright, now in a blender I am mixing together the soy milk, the red wine vinegar, and the lemon juice, and blending on high speed. So, once the soy milk, red wine vinegar, and lemon juice are thoroughly blended, we are going to slowly, ever so slowly, patiently drizzle in our avocado oil. So what is happening right now with this mixture is we are creating an emulsification. And so normally if you pour oil and water together, or in this case the water-like substance is the soy milk, if you were to pour oil and soy milk together, it wouldn't usually mix, which is why we need the blender, and we are pulsing away at a super high speed to create these tiny, tiny droplets of oil that are being coated in the soy milk to create an emulsification effect. And it's going to create a super silky smooth, incredibly fluffy mayonnaise by the end. And you are actually going to watch me drizzle in this avocado oil for what seems like an exorbitant amount of time, but patience is key. Now that I have successfully emulsified all of the avocado oil into our mayonnaise mixture, I'm going to add 2 pinches of salt. After adding the 2 pinches of salt, I'm going to blend away and sneak a little bit of a taste just to see how it's doing. Alright, now I'm going to add the ground up garlic cloves. Make sure those are fully incorporated. And I'm going to finish up by adding in our avocado. So this mayonnaise that we're making will make approximately a cup's worth or more of mayonnaise, and it'll keep in the fridge for up to a week, but I highly recommend eating it either the day of or within a couple days. That's when the taste is going to be the freshest. Alright, it looks like we have successfully blended all of our ingredients together. Gonna take a final taste just to see if it needs anything, and I decided it needs a little more of a citrusy kick, so I squeezed a little bit of lemon juice in there. Just gonna give it that final blend. have done it. Our avocado garlic mayonnaise is ready to serve. I enjoyed this vegan mayonnaise on a nice spinach and tomato sandwich that I made.